Hello, today's topic, caregiver stress. How relevant is it? Well, welcome to miHygge YouTube Shorts. This is your host, Dr. Purnima. And I want to welcome you from any part of the world and all continents here. So let's jump right in. So caregiver stress, how relevant is it? Super relevant, super probable, possible, and happening. And caregiver stress is not just stress, it's caregiver burden, caregiver anger, caregiver mental health crises, caregiver morbidities, caregiver mortalities. Everything is all in this scenario of caregiver stress. And how relevant? It's super relevant. So I'm giving you examples from my own past career and life. Yes, I've been a caregiver many times. I have been a caregiver for thousands of patients in my decades of practice. And yes, it is hard and it's difficult to navigate caregivers. But we must remember that caregivers have a special love for the elderly. And sometimes this love drives them to do their part in the world of caregiving for the elderly. And without this, most of the time there is no monetary benefit or maybe less benefit. But it's the heart, soul, mind, and purpose. That is what brings caregivers to become caregivers. So absolutely, it's very relevant because there is a big burnout issue here. And I have seen personally so many caregivers becoming, sick, having heart disease, this disease, that disease, cancer. I had a young lady who was a caregiver. She's in Afghanistan. She was an Afghan, and she was caring for her mother-in-law. Her husband was about 40 years old. She had 2 kids, and she was 29. And she was so stressed out, and her mother-in-law was like 80 plus. She was so stressed out. Unfortunately, she died of sarcoma of the muscle, and I had never imagined that she would pass away. And apparently, later on we understood that she was in severe crisis and stressed out, caregiving, young lady, and she'd been married off as a young bride at 16. And unfortunately lost her life at 29. So things can happen like that. So be careful. Hope this resonates with you, and hope this is an example that you probably will make you more aware of things in the world. Take care. Hit like, share, and subscribe, and comment below, or hit the bell icon. And this is Dr. Purnima for you, all my miHygge believers and family. And I want to wish you good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night wherever you're in the world. Take care. Bye-bye.